Hello students, welcome to Deepali's Educational World. In my world, I give you basic knowledge which is definitely useful right from 4th standard onwards. And this basic knowledge, while giving basic knowledge, easier ways I am also explaining you, which are helpful for you to study maths and tricks from the maths. How to solve easier way. We have studied many terms like how to solve plus minus, how to avoid mistakes in plus minus, how to solve identities easier way. Like this way, many terms, many videos I have uploaded on my channel. Definitely you will like this channel. So subscribe my channel, like and share. Now let us see today about circle. Let us see. Today we are going to study circle. Circle is a locus of point. It is a group of point from a definite point that is called as center of the circle. This is called center of the circle. From this, at definite distance, group of points is there, and this is called a circle. Now there are some misunderstandings. What is circumference? What is area? So every point I am going to clear you. This one O we call as the center of the circle. Okay. Then from O, any point if you will join on the circle, OP is radius. It is a segment. OP is a radius, and radius is a segment. Remember this. There are infinite segments we can draw in this circle, like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can draw infinite radii in the circle. Okay. So first point is center of the circle. Second point is radius of the circle. Now we are going to study diameter of the circle. What we are going to study now? Diameter of the circle. This diameter, it passes through the center. The segment which passes through the center is called as diameter. Many segments can pass through the center. So PQ, AB, sorry, P is repeated, RQ, AB, these are diameters. Diameter means what? Diameter is the segment. RQ or AB, these are the diameters. What do you mean by diameter? The segment which passes through the center and its end points are on the circumference of the circle. So what is circumference? Now we study center, radius, diameter. Now circumference this is the curved path. This curved path is a circumference, remember. What do you mean by circumference? You must know this basic. Circumference is a curved path. Circumference is a curved path. Means we have studied 4 points of the circle. That is center of the circle, radius of the circle. This is also radius of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Then one more point, let me tell you, that is next point of the circle is a chord. This is a chord, chord MN. Chord MN is a next point, that is 5th point. This is a first point, second, third one diameter, fourth one circumference, fifth one chord. Okay. Chord means what? What do you mean by chord? Chord means the segment whose endpoints are on the circle. Okay. And these endpoints are on the circle means MN is a chord. One more chord I can draw. Again here I can draw chord. Again I can draw chord. So like this way many chords I can draw. But diameter is the longest chord. What is diameter? Diameter is the longest chord, remember. Chord means, I repeat, chord is a segment whose end points are on the circumference, and diameter is a chord, but it is the longest chord of the circle. Are you getting it? Now we have studied center of the circle, radius, diameter, chord. Now I will explain you about the circumference in details. Okay. This is our circumference of the circle. Okay. Then if we take suppose this part AOB. This AOB is a central angle. Angle AOB is a central angle. Why central angle? Because its vertex is at the center. This is a central angle. Okay. Now this central angle, if we consider, then the arc which is in the interior is called as minor arc. So which one is a minor arc? Arc AXB is a minor arc, and arc AYB is a major arc. Okay. Now this is the second part of the circle. First part we have studied about parts of the circle. Now these are the terms of the circle. In second we are going to study arcs. What we are going to study? Arcs. In this arcs, the arc whose measure is less than 180, that is called as minor arc. Arc can be read as arc AXB. Whose measure is more than 180, arc AYB. And arc AYB is a major arc. You understood this? Now, in this arcs only, if we will draw, in this arcs only, if we will draw diameter, then diameter makes two equal parts of the circle. Then these are arcs only. Diameter makes two equal parts of the circle, and these are arcs. Then arc MPN and arc MQN are called as semicircles. What they are called as? Semicircles. And measure of semicircle is 180 degree. What is our measure of semicircle? Measure of semicircle is 180 degree. And my dear students, for your understanding, measure of complete circle is 360 degree. There are many terms to study about this circle. I repeat, in this arcs, minor arc is AXB, which is less than 180. Major arc is AYB, which is more than 180. And when diameter divides two arcs, then those arcs of measure 180 each, and they are called as semicircles. Means 1, 2, 3. This is about arcs. And measure of complete circle is 360 degree. Just now I have explained you in this lecture what are the exactly basic parts of the circle. There is much more about circle we are going to study in the next lecture, that is basic about circle, lecture 2. We will study after this. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share, and also click bell icon. Thank you.